Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Veer. So in this video, I'm gonna show you which recording software which I use and yeah, and the settings of it. So this is the recording software called OBS Studio right here. Um, if you want to record with it, I'm gonna put a link down in the description of the OBS Studio link. Um, so yeah. So this is my software. So it's called OBS Studio, and this is like you can use this for recording and stuff like that. So it's mainly used for streaming, but like people use it for recording. So as you can see, this is my whole OBS. So I'm gonna show you my settings. So this is my settings, as you can see. So I use my theme. I got some other themes that I downloaded today. So one is called Twitchy, as you can see here. I got YouTube. Um, Basically I use this theme, and yeah, you can see this. This is all my. So I keep this on show confirmation. Dialogue when starting streams. I don't really use that much because I don't stream. So yeah. So show confirmation dialog when stopping recording. Yeah, I need that you know uh cause like I accidentally stopped recording, like, yeah, just like that. And then I don't really keep this on cause I don't streaming again automatically record. When streaming I don't really do that. Snap sources, and this is like I don't really know about that. So yeah, this is blah blah blah. I don't really like the studio. Let's go to the. So this is just a stream. I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, as you can see, this is my settings. So my FFM MPEG output type is output to file. This is my you can So I record my math videos from here. So this is like you can choose something. So this is my folder that I made. Um, Veer math videos. So yeah, there's all my videos there. So yeah, there are my videos. So yeah, um, I use this container for my default mixture settings. I don't really know about that. My video bitrate, the video bitrate depends on your internet. Um, so the internet, like you can go to speed test and check it out. And like my bitrate is 3000. So my keyframe interval frames is 254. My quality my quality is 1920 by 1080, means I record on 1080 HDP. I don't really have any video encoder here. Video encoder settings, I don't have any. My audio bitrate is 372. Um, 372, and my audio track 1, and I don't really have any audio encoder or audio encoder settings. This is just some default stuff. Desktop audio default. My desktop audio too, I keep this disabled. My mic, my headset, microphone, and then everything is off, disabled. Yeah, this is all the advanced stuff that I really don't want to go. So this is my base canvas resolution, 1920 by 1080 that I said. My frame rate is 30 frames. Sometimes it goes to 48 or like something like that. So the hotkeys, I don't really like them. I just use my mouse to do that. Advanced, I don't really do that. I just keep my color space 709. That's it. So this is my recording settings. I'm not gonna save my changes. Uh, so as you can see, this is my desktop bar. So this is my audio mixture. This is my mic. If I go to my properties over here, you can see my mic over here. That's my mic. My desktop audio. Uh, like my default. You can switch this to default. Default desktop audio. Um, my scene transition. I don't want to really go into this. You can recording. You click this. Yeah. So this is your stuff over here. So this is my scenes and like, I just do this like that's just my scenes and stuff. So scene collection, that's just scene collection. You can see my main collection. So that's just my something else that I use. That's my other scene collection. And if I go to main, so that's pretty much it. That's the settings that I use. So that's the settings basically that I use. Um, yeah, and the recording, like the drawing software that I use for my math video recordings is Smooth Draw 4. Uh, Smooth Draw 4 right over here. Smooth Draw 4. I use that to do my recordings, like for my stuff, like if I want to my drawing and my basically math videos. So this is it. Oops. This is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button, and yeah, I'll see you soon, and please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and bye bye.